This method is a simple and effective way to factor trinomials that have a leading coefficient greater than 1. Here, we have a tactile 3x3 grid to factor quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Suppose our trinomial is 3x squared minus 10x plus 8. Let us identify our a, our c, and the product ac, and put these values on the first row of our grid. So our a here is 3, our c here is 8, and our product a times c, that is 3 times 8, is equal to 24. Next, we find factors of our ac, which is 24, okay, whose sum is b. Our b here is negative 10. The factors of 24, whose sum is negative 10, are negative 6 and negative 4. We will place these factors on column 3, row 2, and column 3, row 3. Then we find factors of negative 6 and negative 4 and place these on the remaining boxes on the grid. We must see to it that the factors we identify for negative 6 and negative 4 are also factors of our values for a, which is 3, and c, which is 8. So the factors of negative 6 are 3 and negative 2, and the factors for our negative 4 are 1 and negative 4. We can always check our factors by multiplying them horizontally and vertically. Checking the factors horizontally, 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. 1 times negative 4 equals negative 4. Checking the factors vertically, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Negative 2 times negative 4 is equal to positive 8. Next, we draw an oblong diagonally for the numbers we placed on column 1, row 2, and column 2, row 3. And then, we draw another oblong diagonally for the numbers we placed on column 1, row 3, and column 2, row 2. Therefore, the factors of the given quadratic trinomial are 3x minus 4 times x minus 2. And that's it. We've factored the quadratic trinomial using the Tic Tac-Toe method. Now it's time for you to practice factoring quadratic trinomials using this method. Keep up the good work and happy factoring!